Hi angels, welcome back to another DIY. So in this video we are going to be making some cloud lamps. I saw this on TikTok and I was like, why not try it? It's pretty cool, quick and simple DIY with stuff that you already have in your house and some stuff you can just get at Walmart. So what you're going to need is some LED lights, some empty bottles, water bottles, soda bottles, whatever bottles that you have that is clear, see-through. That's what clear is. And your hot glue gun and some little foam. I got this foam pack from I got it off Walmart. They only had the 10-pound left, so the rest of it I'm gonna use to fill up my giant teddy bear. So yeah, so first thing first, I'm threading in the LED lights into the water bottle. This is the first step. The second step is the little battery at the back. What I'm going to do is add some glue to the back of it and then just stick it onto the bottle. I know the first clip is kind of cloudy because I have my window open, but the rest of the video you guys are going to see perfectly clear what I'm doing. But this is the first one, so that's why I included the clip. Next thing is to just add some hot glue gun onto the bottle and then just place the foam on top of it. I'm going to be repeating this step until I completely cover up the bottle. And by the way, you don't need to worry that the lights are going to fall out. They're good to go. I closed my blinds so you guys can see a little better. But I have my window open, so. Make sure you be quick with this. Hot glue gun dry really fast and it could also burn you, so be very careful while you're doing this. I'm just repeating the steps again. Oh, let me include the clip, another clip of the foam so you guys can get an idea of how it looks. This is how the stuffing looks in the bag, in the box, because it couldn't fit in the bag. And that's the name of it and everything. I would have this for the rest of my life. This is the same stuffing that is used for teddy bears, making dolls, and all that amazing fun stuff. So yeah. You don't really need a lot of it. This hot glue gun was not trying to work with me, but by the way, remove the plastic off the bottles before you start gluing on everything. It makes it way more easier and you can see everything all the way through. So I'm just repeating the same step as we did before. Putting the LED lights into the bottle and then gluing the battery with my hot glue gun onto the side of it so that it can stay and it don't move around or it don't get loose or anything like that. So by the way, the hot glue gun is going to be burning through the bottle, so when you're done with it, it's going to be like sinking in, but the glue is hot, so that is expected. If when you're trying to place the battery on there and you realize that it's not sticking, just place it someplace else and it should work. The glue is hot, so it's just melting in the bottle, that's why. But it should work perfectly fine. Adding on hot glue gun to the bottle and then just voila, add it in the stuffing. You don't need a lot of stuffing, you just need like a small amount, like a little tiny handful, and it should be good to go. And right here I'm trying to like perfect it, but it really doesn't matter. It's still gonna look beautiful whichever way that you do it. This only took me like 2 minutes tops to finish everything. By the way, do not cover up the light, the battery in the back, so you can turn it on and off. Do not cover it up with the stuff and just leave a little space in between so that it will be simple for you to just turn it on and off. Or you can just use the ones that has the remote, so whichever one you want to use. But I chose this one because I already had a whole pack here, so pretty easy. Plus I have a ton of batteries, so when it dies, I can just simply change out the battery and I'm good to go. So it will last forever. I'm going to be doing a room full of colors because that's what I had available. So, yep. I'm going to make a ton of these for no reason. Okay, I'm done rambling. Just watch the video and you should get it. It's pretty simple and easy. So this is how it looks. I decided to add some butterflies onto my wall and it looks absolutely amazing. I'm pretty happy with how everything turned out and I hope that you guys like this video. Hopefully I'll see you in my next one. By the way, I use those command strips to stick everything up to the wall. That's why they're sticking up there so perfectly.